Hello my friends, it's Jade Bolden and today I'm going to do a review of the doTERRA nutritional products. So this came out last week and we got our order right away I took a couple of days to try it out before I tell people about it. So they say that it doesn't taste powdery, and that's actually true. Okay, so if I put my protein in a blender, okay, and I blend it well, it is very smooth and it's very tasty. So I love that. And if you put it in one of those shakers, I made a mistake of not shaking it well enough. I just shook it just a little bit and then started drinking it, so it still was powdery. But if you shake it really well and just let it dissolve a little bit, it doesn't taste powdery. Okay, so I'll go through each one. I'm so excited because, you know, it's so hard to trust you know, the different products that you have out there. Sometimes people have protein powders and they're filled with high fructose corn syrup and just other products that are not high quality. Okay, so, you know, oh, I got some chocolate on me. It's really tasty too. All right, so let's go through each one of these together. So this is the fiber. So, you know, on the lid, on the, I guess, the top of the bag, you have some information, so it's really easy to know what it does. So it's gluten-free. It tastes like apple juice. So to me, I just put it in, you know, I fill up maybe 10 ounces of water in this bottle, and I just put a scoop, and this scoop is actually small, in the bottle, shook it up, okay, waited for a minute, and drank it. It tastes like apple juice and a fruit juice, so it's really nice. 6 grams of fiber. It has a prebiotic boost, so it has lemon essential oils in there, and you know, it's designed to help with the digestive health. All right, so fiber, okay, helps with digestion, of course. Great for gut health. Helps with people who are trying to diet as well, and it has the Jerusalem artichoke and flaxseed, and you know, just and soluble and insoluble fiber from whole foods. Okay, so this is from food, so it's not ground up rocks or things. So I'm really excited that we have this, and it's quite big. So I think with my family, you know, I think it will last about a month or two. So I'm excited for this. Okay, so there you go. Fiber is very important for us in our diet. Okay, so let's go to the chocolate. I have a sample of the chocolate here. So good, so yummy. I'm very picky with chocolate flavor, and actually I can tell if it's really organic chocolate or not. Okay, there's some fake chocolate taste, but this is really nice. I didn't have to add anything to it. In the past, the old shake, I had to kind of add extra cocoa powder to it, but this one is fantastic. So it's from, you know, doTERRA, and I trust doTERRA because I've been doing the research, and just I see how they think, and everything is high quality. Everything is for the customers. Okay, so they don't cut corners like some other companies. So I just really love that. It's like one-stop shop. So just 1 scoop in a bottle, like you fill up halfway, and shake it up or put it in your blender. All right, so this is fantastic. You have the protein, the vanilla flavor. Okay, so there's 21 grams of proteins in these. Okay, I'll sit back here there. So it's away from pasture-fed cows, gluten-free, and they said that it is celiac friendly as well. Okay, for people who have celiac, so they have experts certify that for them. It's naturally sweetened, helps with muscle growth, of course, and the best part for me is it satisfies hunger. So last night I wasn't feeling, I didn't feel like eating dinner, so I made myself a shake, and when I woke up, I felt full still. So usually when I wake up, I'm hungry, and when I'm really hungry, I get nauseous, and I hate that feeling. So this is just fantastic, and it tastes so good. The vanilla flavor tastes like vanilla, and the chocolate tastes like chocolate. And you know, they say you can add other things too, so you can add your kale or your spinach or whatever as well. So that's going to be really exciting for my family. It's going to make it so much easier because I'm doing the 30-day cleanse, and you know, you have to prepare food, so this will just take a place of one of the meals, so a good meal replacement, I think. Okay, and it makes things easier. All right, the other protein is the plant-based protein. So there's no whey in there. It's got 21 grams, of proteins as well. It's made all from plant-based, gluten-free, naturally sweetened, and again, it helps with muscle growth and satisfies hunger. Okay, so if our body's hungry, we'll naturally not eat too much. What they have here is just pea protein, brown rice protein, okay, and a whole bunch of other wonderful ingredients here. So I'm really happy that they came up with this high quality product. I tasted this first last night, and you know, you make sure that you blend it well, okay, leave it for a moment, and then it will dissolve, and then it won't taste powdery. But if you drink it right away and if you just shake it not enough, it'll taste powdery. Okay, and it tastes like vanilla, this one. So I really like that. I'm glad they came out with this. I think my parents will love it. So the last one is the greens. This is exciting because as much as we try to eat super healthy in our family, we can't all the time, right? And so this here is your Superfood Blend, and it tastes like greens, but with a little bit of sweetener. So I'm really grateful that they made this, and it's can be dissolved in water, okay? Or you can add it to your favorite. So if I do juicing sometimes, I will add it to it. So I've got kale, alfalfa, wheatgrass, dandelion, spinach, parsley, oatgrass, barleygrass, oatgrass, again, juice, oatgrass juice, okay? And broccoli, cabbage, collard greens, and barleygrass juice powder. All right, so there's other things too here, like the noni and acai, or acai, I don't even know if I'm saying it right. Mangosteen, love that. And goji berries. So pineapple, mangoes, it just keeps going. And then it has lemon essential oils and ginger root essential oils. So how cool is that? So here we are. We have just all of these helps to help our body be healthier. So we have the doTERRA supplements, we have these nutritional shakes and drinks. So what more can you ask for? It's so exciting. Remember, this is our order. We got a free Air X, but remember to use products that are clean, so that you know, you avoid putting toxins in your body. So all of this clean eating, clean drinking, and supplements is great, but make sure that you also use clean products, okay? So you're not adding more toxins to your body. So anyways, that is my take. There's an enrollment kit. Actually, you can buy these if you check it out, and the link's there. If you want to become a doTERRA member and save 25%, there's a enrollment kit that's only $255, and you get all of these and a bunch more things, and of course your enrollment is waived, so you can continue to buy everything at wholesale price for the next year. There's other kits like the Daily Habit and Nutritional kit, and it's $245. So you know, I'm already taking supplements and all that, so you know, it's just like easy peasy, one button, okay? You know, it's something that is foundational for us. You know, if we have healthy cells, we'll have healthy tissues, and healthy tissues make healthy organs. So guys, I'm sure that if you try this, you'll like it too. So that's my review. I hope you like it. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. And that's all from me. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.